up, bitch? What up, crackhead?
What up? He said, so what's up? I said, dude. And then he started swinging. I grabbed him. I said, dude. I got off the floor. I said, dude. He was like, yo, stop.
So do.
He was like, yo, I want to leave. He's like, yo, we cool?
Oh, you made his elbow bleed.
Shut up, crackhead.
Shut up.
I said,
Safety blocks. Helmet head with no helmet.
I ate booty. That's our black life. Oh, look at this worm shit.
Come on.
Hold on, where's my headphones? Hold on. Let me count these checks. Flex on my ex. I don't got no respect. Oh yeah. Yo, you see this button right here? See this button? No button that is? There's no panic button, B. If I press that button, then I already start, sir.
Oh no.
My son Isaiah thinks he's a car. Yo, that was fucking dope.
Fuck off.
What? What? You ain't gonna do shit. You ain't gonna do shit.
Red light.
You ain't gonna do shit.
You ain't gonna do shit, nigga.
How can I pressure buttons?
Worm shit. It's because I'm black. Yo, throw it up.
Gang. Gang.
Throw it up.
Gang, you a bitch, B.
Why did my FPS just drop?
Yo, watch out, B. I'm coming in your right. Huh?
My FPS just dropped on my camera. What the fuck what? Where'd you get that from?
What's up?
Where the fuck did that come from? Where the fuck did that thing come from? I'm about to hit a car. Gas up? Gotta gas up.
Gassing up. Gassing up.
I have diesel.
Gassing up. You got diesel, right? Gassing up.
That's a fact, B.
Bro, we gotta gas up, bro.
Gas up.
Gassing up, sir.
Gassing up,
Gassing up. We gassing up.
I need diesel.
Gassing up, yo, bro.
Oh, that's diesel?
Bro. Yo. Gassing up.
Yo.
Don't look at me like that.
Basically gassed up.
How we gas?
When you slip off these pedals, it feels like something just kills you. But yeah, I'm gonna try to get a 3 down right here for the intro of this video. So if there's a 3 at the intro of the video, then I landed it. If not, then I probably killed myself trying to do it because these pedals are so bad. Now I'm just making up excuses, I know. Nice. You know how hard it is to fucking find a good camera angle on this fucking shitty spot? Alright, so I'm back at the old spot. Just because I feel like I could learn 360s here because I learned 180s here. That's the reason I came here. It's definitely not because people were smoking pot right behind me in the other spot. I'm gonna try to get the 3 down in this spot because so I got my 180s down. Fuck! Last try. Alright, I'm done. I'm going home. I'm going home.
Rap bitches, money, cars only take you but so far. I can guarantee you that shit don't make up a superstar. Time, place, all good. Wildin' out just like you should. Let your fingers do the talking in person. I wish you would.